Project that we finished up on the east side. They got a new 12-foot driveway and a 5-foot sidewalk. The new rules for the City of Houston Traffic Department. Pretty good sized driveway with an extra parking space here on the side. This is our feature 1-bedroom plan with a 2-foot overhang in the front. Got a carriage style door from Best Door Service. We have the covered stairway, and this one's got a belly band that goes all the way around. This project also has a nice 10 by 10 balcony at the top. So our one light door we get from D-Ring. So this has a U-shaped kitchen. Nice pendant light. And we also did a custom transom window above the bedroom door. This also has a laundry room over to the side off the kitchen instead of in the closet. The wooden gentleman windows are from Grogan's. The cabinets are from Durstone USA. And the tops are from Stone Future. So we're wrapping up today. Final inspection, give them a key. This is our closet, but it's used for storage instead of a laundry room. Has a stand-up tub with really cool tile work and a half glass door. Anyway, we're giving up the key today.